This one here is actually easier than what it seems. The biggest thing to get this question right is knowing the following. It says, so consider the following reaction, this reaction. An equilibrium mixture of this reaction at a certain temperature was found to have the NH3 concentration is 0.278 and H2S was 0.37. Okay, so whenever, sorry, let me quit my messenger. Okay, so first you want to do is set up the K value. Okay, and here's what I was talking about. The one thing you need to know is that when you're doing a K value, only gases or aqueous compounds will go in the K. So if you have a solid, so if something says S by it, or liquid, L, it actually does not go into the K equation. Now if it says AQ, aqueous, or gas, it will. And aqueous is different than liquid because aqueous means it's dissolved in water. Liquid means it's its own entity. You know, it's not dissolved in anything like it is a liquid. Okay, so let me show you this. Let's see, pull up here. The K value then would be K. C equals 2. Let me show you, bring this back here. We're going to leave this out of it because it's a solid. It won't go in there. So we just have our product. So it's going to be NH3 times H2S. Okay, is NH3 times H2S. Okay, there's no coefficients in front of them, so it's not raised to anything. And now all we need to do is put in those values. So if I come here, notice there's no coefficients, so it's not raised to anything. NH3 or ammonia is 2.78. So right here for ammonia, I'm going to put in 0.278. And then let's see, for H2S, and you might have different numbers, I'm not 100% sure, but it doesn't matter because it's the same problem, possibly different numbers. Where'd it go? Here it is, 0.370. Okay, 0.370, that equals 2Kc. So you just need to multiply them by each other. And in this case, let's see, I got Kc was approximately 0.103, multiplying these by each other. And again, if you have different numbers here, it'd be a different answer. But that's how you set it up. So the concept here, the two concepts is knowing how to set up K and knowing that solids, so if you see something that has an S, or a liquid, do not go in K. So not in K. But aqueous and gases do.